Today, I'm gonna teach you how to make a kite. These are the materials in making a kite. First, we need glue, measuring tape, Japanese paper, have a pencil, scissors, a thread, a short stick with 45 centimeters. And we have a long stick, 60 centimeters. To make the crossbar and spine, we need the two sticks and make a cross. Then we tie the two sticks together a thread. Put glue in the middle and let it dry. Get the Japanese paper to put the cover of the kite. And then get the spine, put it on top of the Japanese paper. Get a pencil and a ruler to make a diamond. Get your scissors and cut the cover like a diamond. Make a little cut on the edge of the stick. Attach your string around the kite. Put glue on the edge of the strings when the strings are already attached. Fold the Japanese paper inwards. Use tape or glue the string in the center of the kite and knot it. Cut a long piece of rectangle for extra decoration. And then put it on the end of the kite. Then tape it or glue it. Okay guys, make sure to fly the kite on a windy day.